Hey guys, in honor of it being Air Max month and Air Max Day coming up on the 26th, today I'll be reviewing the women's Nike Air Max Correlate. They come in a pretty standard box, and here it is showing the name of the shoe, size, and we are reviewing the colorway white, black, new, green, and they retail about $95, and I got them for roughly $65 at the outlets. So let's open it up. The Correlates resemble both the Air Max 90 and the Air Max 1, as you can tell. I'll show the other one too. We'll start with the outsole on the bottom, which has the signature waffle pattern that Bill Bowerman created with his wife's waffle maker, and that was back in 1971. And then on the back, we have this nice rubber heel patch that says Nike Air that everyone really likes, and I like how it stands out with the bright color. And then the midsole, it has like this really unique bubble right here, and it's really rare to have like an air unit in the back that really bulges out, which is nice. Inside the shoe, on the insole is white, and then it just has a classic black Nike swoosh. On the upper, there's a mixture of suede and mesh fabrics that are really nice. And then the tongue right here, it says Nike Air embroidered in it. As you can tell, these shoes are a little dirty. I love to wear these shoes around campus, and they're super comfortable and one of my favorite pairs of shoes. And now I'm about to show you guys how it looks on foot. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my review of the Nike Air Max Correlate.